Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a bead unboxing for the bargain bead box for the month of November 2022. I just got it in the mail yesterday and I did take a peek and I was very excited. So this is what we have here. It says the bargain bead box holiday cheer. Your beads as the holiday season approaches. We've blended classic green, red, and gold tones for a celebratory collection packed with gemstones and crystals. Highlights include a hand-wrapped quartz pendant, green quartz round beads, gold accident dolomite, and faceted quartz rondelles, along with festive crystals and handmade cloisonne. I can never pronounce this word, cloisonne rounds. Gold finished brass and stainless steel findings complete the set. So here is everything, and there are 17 items, and it says approximately total retail value for the shipment is $78. So let's see. Okay. Some pretty beauties here. Very excited. Yes, lots of greens. Oh, this is different. Oh, very cool. Okay, let me get this together and I'll be right back. Okay, so starting with number one, we have approximately a 15-inch strand of 8mm green quartz round beads. Very pretty. The holes are very well made. I always look for that. When you get like the holes that are all chipped, you kind of, you know that it's like, no. So yeah, these are very pretty. So that's exciting. Number two is 30 pieces of 7.5mm gold finished finished steel filigree bead caps. So these are pretty. Well, they're very fine, but they're very nice. They're kind of like very delicate. Yeah, these are nice. Definitely put these to good use. This one's a little mangled up. Not sure. I don't think that really belongs in here. Looks like it's kind of messed up from the rest of these. But the rest of them are good, so I will check that out. So, number three is approximately 13-inch strand of 4mm crystal bicone beads in coral red. Very pretty. Look at those beauties. These definitely say Christmas. Look at that. That with the green. Yeah, these are really pretty. It's a nice long strand. Let's see the... Very pretty. This is new. Number four, approximately 8.5-inch adjustable nylon slide bracelet cord in red gold. This is really cool. So what this is, where's the thing? So like, what it is you can make it, longer or shorter. So you attach these two pieces onto a bracelet or a necklace or something, and then you can slide these. And it's got one of these pieces in there to keep it on. So that's pretty cool. Okay, number five is 2 pieces of 32 by 26mm gold finished brass textured diamond pendants. Oh, so these are pretty. Well, it looks like they're the same on both sides. Yeah, that's really nice. Very pretty. Number 6 is 2 sets of 18.5 by 13 millimeter stainless steel hypoallergenic toggle clasps in gold. Now, see, these are just basic gold ones, but, you know, thing about these is then you can use them, you know, you can use them with anything you create because they really don't have a motif to them. So these are nice. Now, number 7 is a 13.5-inch strand of 4 by 3 millimeter faceted multicolored quartz rondelles. Oh, this is different. So these are, kind of hold it up to the camera so you can see these. These are pretty. Yeah. Definitely. Okay. And number 8, there's the word, 5-piece 10 millimeter handmade cloisonne, I think, enamel and brass floral round beads. These are gorgeous. I need to watch one of the other beaders on YouTube and listen to them say that word. I swear it's cloisonne. Don't laugh at me though. Or you could tell me down in the comments if that's how it's actually pronounced. Cloisonne. But yeah, these are really pretty. Very pretty. And number 9 is 5-piece 10 millimeter crystal faceted barrel beads in coral red AB. Oh, these are pretty. Look at that. Look at that shine. Woo. Hello. You could see that a mile away. You make a pair of earrings, and you're definitely going to be noticed. Okay. Number 10 is approximately 11-inch strand of 6 millimeter crystal cube beads in green shimmer. Oh, these are pretty. Look at those. Look at how pretty those are. 11-inch strand, too. That's a lot. You can almost do a 2-wrap bracelet with that. You know, add a couple extra beads to it. You could do a bracelet, earrings. This could be part of a necklace. You could do a whole jewelry set. You know, if you add a couple other little things to it, you got a jewelry set then. And number 11 is a 10-piece strand of 10 millimeter mountain jade dolomite round green gold. Oh, these are pretty. Let's see, I'm kind of bring it up to the light. You can see that gold, the shimmer in there? Oh, that's really pretty. Yeah, and you know, they're a little rough here, but you can, that's why you have the bead caps. So you can put the bead caps over there and cover that up. Okay, oh, this is pretty. Number 12 is, hold on 1 second, let me pull this over. Oh, let me see. Number 12 is a 19 by 12.5 millimeter gold brass snowflake link with cubic zirconia accents. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I thought it was a connector. No, it's not. It's very pretty. Look at that. And then that's the other side. Very pretty. And number 13 is a 10-piece strand of 9 millimeter faceted diagonal cube crystal beads in red. Oh, these are pretty. Look at that. And they've got a really nice shimmer to them. You can make some really cute earrings with these. You can make a lot of jewelry with this stuff. And number 14 is 40 pieces of 4 by 3.5 millimeter gold finish solid brass spacer beads. These aren't brass. These are gold, though. I think there was that must be a typo, because these are gold. But, yes, basic spacer beads that we love to use. And number 15 is a 7.5-inch strand of 8x6mm crystal faceted rondo beads in red gold. Now these are pretty. Look at that. Yes, very pretty. Very pretty. And number 16 is a 39x25mm quartz and 18-karat gold-plated copper wrapped donut. So this baby is double wrapped. Oh, okay. This is interesting. This could be used for a lot of things. You could do like something like this and make this like have a necklace and have it hanging from here and then have a little stuff hanging right there. There's a lot you could do with this. Or this could be part of like a choker necklace. It's funny, these remind me of lifesavers. Every time I see these, I'm like, yes, these are lifesavers. And number 17, okay, I'm not sure about this one. 40mm enamel geometric medallion pendant in red gold. Okay, this is cool. Kind of scratched up on the other side, but you know, there's still a lot you can do with this. You know, you could even put this on something, attach that to something, or change up the back or something. You know, just for something different. So, yeah, I think this is a very pretty box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And let me know down in the comments what you think of it. I will definitely get to work making some stuff, maybe a tutorial with it. Not really sure. I need to go through everything, kind of get some ideas going. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And you can click on my links below. I have my Etsy, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And you can also follow me on those, and you can subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Sorry, I'm tongue-tied today. It's been a long day. So I will see you soon on my next video. Have a great day. Bye.